In this video, you will see many tricks to make home repairs easier. If you bend the blade of a cutter, you get a perfect tape cutter. Cut the top off a plastic bottle. Attach the vacuum cleaner and drill through the hole, and goodbye dust. Glue a dishwashing sponge to the handle of a roller, and you get the ideal brush for painting wood. If you cut a washer in 2 pieces and bend the metal into little ears, you get a mini shelf to support a tool rack. Wooden nails are perfect for fixing things because you cut them off and they are invisible. See? Glue the tip of a screwdriver to a glue stick. This way you can access and screw in nails that are in a difficult position to otherwise nail. Is your paintbrush handle too long? Then make a mold out of sand and make a much stronger one out of molten metal. 2 sponges glued to a hair clip are perfect for painting wooden or metal rods. Slide the sponges on and paint in one stroke. Clean a paint-filled roller using a piece of acrylic with a hole in it. And don't waste time hand-winding ribbons or straps. Use your spare metal to smart use by adding a metal whisk from a mixer you no longer use. With a piece of hose, you can create an improvised hinge, flexible and durable. Your drill is a tool with many more functions than you imagine. Just assemble extra accessories to the device, for example, to spread sticky material in a cleaner and neater way, without wasting or dirtying your hands. And never be without a glue gun. Glue 2 rollers to a wooden board, and you will have a perfect device to paint in one go. When we have to repair something at home, it happens that we cannot find the right tool, and that is when creativity arises to solve the problem. Two rubber circles attached to a nail are used to unclog plastic pipes that are too thin, and 2 pieces of metal rail joined together to create a triangle are the ideal tool to give a zigzag shape to metal rods. The remains of PVC pipes screwed to the wall serve as supports for the different adhesive tapes you need in your repairs. And this last trick, with a pencil attached to a washer to use as a guide, is excellent. Which of all these hacks did you like the most? Don't forget to share yours in the comments. And of course, share the video with that handyman friend you have. Subscribe for more great videos like this.